Hi everybody, welcome to this episode of the Health Channel. An interesting shrub with leaves up to a meter long. Join me as we learn more about pineapple. The pineapple is a tropical plant with an edible fruit. It is the most economically significant plant in the family bromeliaceae. The pineapple is indigenous to South America, where it has been cultivated for many centuries. The introduction of the pineapple plant to Europe in the 17th century made it a significant cultural icon of luxury. Since the 1820s, pineapple has been commercially grown in greenhouses and many tropical plantations. The fruit, particularly its juice, has diverse uses in cuisines and desserts. Pineapples grow as a small shrub. The individual flowers of the unpollinated plant fuse to form a multiple fruit. The plant normally propagates from the offset produced at the top of the fruit or from a side shoot, and typically measures within a year. The word pineapple first referred to the cone of the pine tree in the 14th century. This name convention occurred because medieval botanists called any unfamiliar tree fruit an apple if it had a firm round shape. The pineapple is a herbaceous perennial which grows to 1 to 1.5 meter tall on average, although sometimes it can be taller. The plant has a short, stocky stem with tough, waxy leaves when creating its fruits. It usually produces up to 200 flowers, although some large fruited cultivars can exceed this. The leaves have sharp spines along the margins. In the first year of growth, the axis lengthens and thickens, bearing numerous leaves in close spirals. After 12 to 20 months, the stem grows into a spike-like inflorescence up to 15 cm long, with over 100 spirally arranged, trimerous flowers, each subtended by a bract. In the wild, pineapples are pollinated primarily by a type of bird called hummingbirds. Certain wild pineapples are foraged and pollinated at night by bats under cultivation because seed development diminishes fruit quality. Pollination is performed by hand and seeds are retained only for breeding. Raw pineapple pulp is 86% water, 13% carbohydrates, and 0.5% protein, and contains negligible fat in a reference amount of 100 grams. Raw pineapple supplies 209 kilojoules of food energy and is a rich source of manganese, about 40% of the daily value, and vitamin C, but otherwise contains no micronutrients in significant amounts. Many cultivars are known the leaves of the commonly grown smooth cayenne cultivar, and its various clones are smooth, and it is the most commonly grown worldwide. In commercial farming, flowering can be induced artificially, and the early harvesting of the main fruit can encourage the development of a second crop of smaller fruits. Once removed during cleaning, the top of the pineapples can be planted in soil and a new plant will grow. Slips and suckers are planted commercially. Some buyers prefer green fruit, others ripened or off-green. A plant growth regulator is typically sprayed onto the fruit 1 week before harvest, developing ethylene, which turns the fruit golden yellow. After cleaning and slicing, A pineapple is typically canned in sugar syrup with added preservative. A pineapple never becomes any riper than it was when harvested since it is a non-climacteric fruit. Okay, I hope you are not tired. Let's talk about a few more benefits of pineapple. Number 1. Strengthens the immune system. Pineapple is one of the richest sources of vitamin C, a vitamin that is on the front lines of the body's fight against infections. Consuming 1 cup of fresh pineapple provides more than 100% of the body's daily requirements for vitamin C. Among fruits rich in vitamin C, pineapple is one of the best options for strengthening the immune system, despite its high natural sugar content. Number 2. Improves digestion. The bromelain enzyme in pineapple is a very special compound that breaks down complex proteins and converts them into smaller, more digestible pieces. For this reason, people who experience bloating, indigestion or stomach pain after consuming heavy foods such as meat or legumes can benefit from eating pineapple. This fruit improves bowel movements and prevents constipation by stimulating the secretion of digestive juices. The fiber in it also acts as a natural prebiotic and promotes overall digestive health by strengthening beneficial intestinal bacteria. Number 3. Reduces inflammation and relieves pain. Even in some patients with arthritis, regular consumption of pineapple has been associated with reduced joint pain. In addition to aiding digestion, the bromelain in pineapple has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. This compound reduces pain and inflammation by reducing the production of inflammatory substances such as prostaglandins and cytokines. Studies have shown that regular consumption of pineapple reduces symptoms of arthritis, joint inflammation, rheumatism, and even muscle pain after exercise. Also, in some cases, after surgery or injury, consuming pineapple helps reduce the swelling and speed up the tissue repair process. Number 4. Helps with weight loss. If you are looking to lose weight healthily, pineapple is a great option. This fruit, it is low in calories and yet takes up a large amount of food. So it creates a feeling of fullness without increasing calories. The abundant fiber in it prevents overeating and controls appetite. The enzyme bromelain helps improve fat metabolism and increases fat burning. For this reason, pineapple is recommended as a healthy and filling snack in many weight loss diets. Number 5. Improves oral and dental health. The vitamin C in pineapple helps strengthen gums and prevents bleeding gums. The antibacterial properties of this fruit also prevent the growth of the oral microbes and reduce bad breath. Of course, it should be noted that excessive consumption of pineapple due to its acidic properties causes tooth enamel to wear away. Therefore, it is better to rinse your mouth with water after eating it. Number 6. Increases energy and reduces fatigue. Pineapple is an energy-giving fruit. The presence of B vitamins, especially thiamine, B1, causes the metabolism of carbohydrates to be converted into energy. The manganese present in it also participates in metabolic reactions and increases the body's energy levels. Consuming pineapple, especially for breakfast or snacks, reducing fatigue caused by daily work and improves mental and physical performance. Harms and precautions in consuming pineapple. Excessive consumption of pineapple can damage tooth enamel due to its acidity. Eating too much pineapple may cause sores and irritation in the mouth and gums. Excessive consumption can cause digestive problems such as diarrhea and cramps. Due to its high sugar content, excessive consumption of pineapple is not suitable for diabetic patients. Some people are allergic to pineapple and experience itching or swelling. Pineapple interacts with some medications such as blood thinners, pregnant women should avoid excessive consumption of pineapple as it may stimulate uterine contractions. At the end of this video, thank you for being with me. For more information of other fruits and vegetables, follow other videos of this channel. If this information was useful for you, please subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions about pineapple, ask in the comments section. Your health is our wish. Have a nice day.